Hi and welcome to Jim's Radio Shop. We're just about to fire up this 1932 Philco AM radio. This is a number 91X. And the X is because it has two speakers. Two speakers in terrible shape. But they'll probably make some sound. Well, we will see. And I've done the safety check, identified the knobs. Volume is down. Pretty sure it's volume. So we've armed my little system here, and this switch, if I push it down, you can't see this now. This switch, push it down, it puts the light bulbs in series with the load. If I flip it up, load gets full line voltage. And that's how it works. And you'll be able to see there, it's the light bulbs, you'll be able to see it. So a properly functioning radio, switch it on, draws high power, drops low. Then as the heaters warm up and your plate current starts to flow, the light will get brighter again. If there's a real problem with this radio, the light will come on full blast, and I will quickly turn it off. And if the light doesn't come on at all, then we're getting nowhere with the radio. That's kind of how this works. Pretty simple stuff. I also have some voltmeters. This one here. This one here, I can look upon it as a percentage of line voltage. Full line voltage comes up to the top of the scale. So you can 80%, 60% and that. And then I have another line voltage meter here. Reads the actual volts. The actual volts right on the extension cord. So I know what's going on here. Okay, enough talk. Is everybody ready? I need some kind of drum roll or something. I would say the switch is off. Power on. Okay, no action on the light, so I'm pretty sure I got the switch off. Nothing going on anywhere. Line voltage is a little low tonight for my house. It's 120, and when it's high, it's 115 right now, and that's because air conditioners are running. It's very, very humid out today. So we'll take the power off, turn the switch on, and here we go. There goes the light. Oh, this one's on too. Okay, I'm giving it a little more juice than I expected. Because normally I do it with just the 40 watt and 100 watts undone, unless I need it. But, so far it looks good. Line voltage is below 100. Or voltage at the set is below 100, but you can see this light has come on. Maybe that's what the, oh, this tube's warmed up. Warm, 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 no, not this one. And this guy, I don't see any light in him. That's good. I see nothing in this one and nothing in this one. The lights have not changed in their intensity. I'm getting a distinct feeling that there's no high voltage in this radio. These are the two output tubes, and this is the number 80 rectifier. And I don't see that it's lighting up at all. Of course, I have this set down now. I can't do any tests to see what's going on, but I think we got three tubes we need to verify their operation. That's this one, and this one. Oh, guess what? That's on. That's hot as can be. Okay, Okay, well, so much for my eyeballs. They're not hearing a thing. Low volume, please. Absolutely no sound. Wow. And how about that toggle switch at the back? It seems to switch the phono in. There's a hum. Not sure what's humming. My light was humming. I don't hear anything at all from those speakers, and you know, I really didn't check them over very thoroughly to even see if the wires are all connected. And, but there's not a sound coming out of them. But that's an interesting test in itself, because nothing caught fire. No terrible explosions. Here's another tube that appears to be not lighting. Yeah, I'd say that's not heating up. Okay, we'll do a little bit of tube testing here, and I think we're on our way to working on two things. The output. Is there something going on with these speakers? Well, there sure is. They're wrecked. But they should make some sound. And the other one is, what about these tubes? Tubes, power supply, speakers, that's what's next. Hey, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.